Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix AirDrop not working on your iPhone. So guys, fix this issue. So I will request to my all friends and viewers and subscribers. So please uh, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So let's get starts the video. So first of all, you have fixed this issue. How can fix this issue? So you have first of all open the control center, and then you have click on Wi-Fi, and then you have open the AirDrop. You have click on select on everyone. I have already select on everyone, and then solution you have turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turn on, and then you have other solution you have open the setting, and then you have click on general, scroll up, you have click on transfer or reset, and then click on reset all network setting, and then iPhone given a passcode, and then wait a few seconds, and then your problem will be fixed, and problem fix and 100% working on your iPhone. And then other solution you have again open the setting and click on general, and then click on software update, and you have check on any update on your iPhone, and then you have install and update your iPhone. So fix this issue, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone AirDrop. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know if you have any problem. So please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.